Okay, so I am on my drive back from Orlando, heading up to Charlotte, and you know, girls gotta eat. And if you've been hanging out with me for a while now, you know I'm constantly talking about fueling your body like you would a Ferrari. You don't put Kool-Aid in a Ferrari tank, do you? No, you do not. You put Champagne, race gas. So what did I do? I freaking went to Publix last night and I stocked up on a whole bunch of things. I bought myself a cooler. You can never go wrong with having a cooler. Like, everyone needs an extra cooler and extra ice packs, especially if you've got kids. Okay, but I digress. So I packed myself a bunch of stuff. So my first snack of the day, I packed myself some coconut yogurt and I packed myself several bags of fruit, chopped up already. Blueberries and strawberries. Got a banana back there. And I packed myself plastic forks and plates and bowls. Because honestly, like, I don't feel like eating crap food. I'm gonna feel like turd and then I won't be alert on the road. So I'm a food snob, y'all, and I am just so not ashamed of it. Anyway, snack number one. I'll show you the rest later. Bye. In case you're wondering, the coconut yogurt I eat, it's this one. I don't eat this all the time. It's got 10 grams of protein, but it has 9 grams of sugar, and to me that's still a lot of sugar. I'd rather save my sugar for other things, you know. But given the fact that it's got protein in it and it's not full of crap, and then, you know, the only other sugar I'm eating is fruit, and then, y'all, I have a ridiculous amount of dark chocolate in this car, but dark chocolate has very little sugar. The higher the percentage, the lower the sugar. So this stuff is really good. Made it to Georgia. Now I'm starving and it's time for lunch. So let me show you what I've got. All right, here's the cooler. Let's see. My chocolate stash, very important. Okay, so got it loaded up here. I've got some deli meat, and I've got some chopped up mini peppers, and I've got some chopped up cucumbers, and I've got fruit in here, very important, mustard, and then, let's see. Oh yeah, grain-free trips, yummy. And very important, homemade salad dressing in a little mini mason jar. Super easy to make, and there's no seed oil in it, and it tastes yummy on top of all the veggies. All right, it is 6:10, and I am just outside of Columbia, South Carolina. And y'all, I am hungry. It is time to eat. So let me show you what I've got for dinner. All right, so for dinner, and I say dinner number one because I can guarantee you when I get home, I'm gonna be hungry again because I eat, the way my body metabolizes food is I do better when I eat small meals all throughout the day. I don't do well when I eat huge portions of food. My body just does not like it. So this is post-C difficile. So please eat the way that you need to eat for your body. This is how I eat. So for some of you, you're going to be like, that's like an appetizer. Well, mind you, these plates are really small, so I can have more if I want to. All right. So first up, I've got hummus and carrots and cucumber with homemade dressing on it. And then I've got, probably not going to work very well. I've got chicken slices, chicken breast slices, deli meat, boar's head, and then spicy mustard. And then I've got strawberries and chocolate for dessert. And y'all, I am human. These are like my favorite tortilla chips that you can only get in Florida. And of course, it's got seed oil in it. While in Rome, it's not gonna kill you if you do it just once or twice, maybe 3 times. Anyway, so that's dinner number one. And so far my energy's been really good, been super alert. Thank God, because I almost got run off the road by a Mack truck, and had I been half asleep, God knows what would happen. So, bon appetit. Time for a little dessert. Strawberries and chocolate. Oh my God. So good. I could eat a whole bar of chocolate right now, I swear. I love chocolate. Yummy. And butter. Butter. Okay, I made it home. It's 8:30. I left Orlando about 10 o'clock, I want to say. I stopped twice to eat, get gas. I went to Buc-ee's. Now I understand why everyone's like, oh my God, you gotta go to Buc-ee's. People, it's an experience. I'll do a whole other video about that later. But anyway, I had great energy this entire time, and I attribute that to the food that I chose to eat this whole day, minus the last 20 minutes where I nosedived into my tortilla chips and back into my bag of chocolate. It's all good. A little bit ain't gonna kill ya. You know, I just want to encourage all of you that are hitting the road this summer with just a little bit of thought and preparation. You can stay eating clean, and when you eat clean, you have more energy. Your immune system's gonna stay higher. There's a lot of crap going on right now, but when you eat well, you're feeding your cells well too. And those cells need the good food to help fight. Remember, food is medicine. You're either contributing to wellness or you're contributing to dis-ease in your body. Choice is yours. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. I'm happy to help you. Talk to you soon. Bye.